Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
Guys, so andito tayo ngayon sa Jordan, Manila. So, makikita nyo guys, ang haba ng pila today. Kasi feeling ko may magandang release ngayon yung Jordan Manila, kaya yan, dinayo ng mga tao guys ang haba ng pila. Yan, so sana makapasok tayo agad, pero ewan ko, ang haba guys, ang dami ng tao sa loob oh. Ayun guys, ang haba ng pila. Kasi feeling ko talaga guys, yun nakikita ko na guys sa loob oh. Jordan 4 black canvas naka-display ngayon guys dun sa loob. Yan, sana makapasok tayo agad guys. So ayun guys oh, padami pa ng padami yung mga tao.
A few moments later.
So guys, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero ang ganda niya. Ito yung Jordan 1 Mid French Blue 7,395. Jordan 1 Midcraft 7,095. Yung New Emerald 6,195. Jordan 1 Low Inside Out 6,195. Jordan 1 Mid Taxi 6,595. Siyempre guys, ito yung black canvas Jordan 4. Ito naman yung Jordan 3 Fire Red 11,295. Dark Iris 9,995. Ito naman yung Jordan 14 Light Ginger. Ito naman yung bago ni Zion. Voodoo yata tawag dito.
Ganun ba gusto na ni Jeremy? Hindi naman, nakakuha ka nito. Paano ba sa'yo pa?
Yung pang women's na Jordan 1 mid Sandrift 7,095. Ang ganda ng leather nito. Jordan 1 mid black grape 6,595. Guys, nandito tayo sa Jordan, Manila. So galing na tayo dun sa loob. At sobrang daming tao ngayon guys. At ang haba ng pila. So yun, luckily nakapasok naman tayo. Nag-antay lang tayo siguro ng mga 30 minutes sa pila. And then nakapasok na tayo. And then guys, sa loob ang daming magagandang bago. Lalo na yung Jordan 4 na black canvas, no? So yun, puntahan nyo na guys bago pa kayo maubusan ng mga pairs na yun, no? And so again guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you na rin sa mga nag-like and comment. And again, don't forget to subscribe guys. See you next time.